Take a moment to pause and just be here. Sit comfortably, close your eyes if you'd like. But before that, like and subscribe for more self-discovery, mindfulness, and personal growth. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment. Now slowly exhale through your mouth. Feel your body begin to settle. Let the noise of the outside world fade. Right now, there's nothing to do, nowhere to be. Just you, your breath, and this moment. As thoughts come, and they will, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Inhale calm. Exhale tension. You are unplugging. You are reconnecting with yourself.